It is hot. I'm not sure if you can be able to see it that great. Took my cot out because it was starting to hurt my back. You know, the little railings underneath digging into my back, even with all that padding. So I got rid of that, and I got a trifold mattress. Acts also as a chair / couch. You turn it right into your bed. Now watch. If you can see this. Hold on. Let's see. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, can you see in there now? Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so here's the deal. And it's also a little wider, which is great for me in the river. I got my sleeping bag and my quilt. Opens up just like that. It's a little longer than the cot, but it works fine. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. There we go. Yeah, there, just like that. And I'll put my sleeping bag on it. I'm not going to need the blanket at all. It's okay, hold on, I'm right here, girl. There. And when I want to turn it into a couch, I just flip this up. And I can sit and raise that back part up. I'm right here, girl. So, yeah, that worked out perfect. Sorry about this. So I did that. And I cut a piece of wood, stained it and everything. To make a table. Well, looks like I dropped you guys. It's been a long while. It's been a minute since I've been out, so I'm kind of a little screwy right now. Okay. It's hard to see in this from back here because it's bright out. Anyway, I'll I've got this piece of wood that I stained to use as a shelf for dinner. Yeah, there you go. A little windy. Don't fall. Yeah, it falls. Ugh. Let me try something different. Guess I can hold it. I had a piece that I cut, supports right here. I don't really need it with these other supports that I have in there. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, I've got this here to put, whatever up here while I'm cooking on my tailgate. And then when I'm done at nighttime, it'll act as a shelf. Let me show you real quick. Give me just a second. Okay, hard to do one-handed, but I've got this end I put right over here. Okay, so yeah, this goes on my little shelf by the All Powers power station, and then it comes across, and I use the stick to support it. Wait a minute, that's not right. So it sits on the shelf there, goes across over the wheel well, and then I use this little stick to support it. I use this little log just to keep it from going back. So yeah, I'll do something a little more semi-permanent, but for now, that's cool. All right, guys. Oh, look who wants to come in. Oh, hold on, baby girl. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Stay. Good girl. I love you. Stay in the shade. Stay in the shade here. Or you can come down if you want. I'm going to put some screens up to air out the topper. I'll get this side. It'll give me a little bit of a cross breeze. I can actually take this whole thing and roll it up this way, but I want to eliminate all the bugs as much as possible. I only cut it just kind of half-ass. Nothing pretty, but it works. So watch my girl. Last time I was up here, I actually came up here last week to do a camp, but it was only about two, maybe three spots that were left. Not very good spots. And there was, I've never seen so many rattlesnakes in just the 30, 40 minutes I was driving around looking for a spot than I did my whole, I moved here in 97. So since 97, I've only seen probably 5 or 6 snakes. That 45 minutes, I can't even count on both hands. There's just all over the place. I don't know. I think it was just the first warm day, so they're coming out, and so we have to be careful. That's why I picked more of an open space instead of bushes, because they like the rocks and bushes. So, let's see. It's hot. Okay, it's good for you. In case you're wondering what I got bear spray for and a horn in the desert and no bears, it's because coyotes, a lot of coyotes out here, javelina, which is wild pig, they will attack me and her. They'll kill her. And stupid humans. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Got the mic working. I got a happy puppy here. Hold on, I'm trying to get this done here. Hold on, big girl. I'm gonna eat some boiled peanuts. What do you guys think? You ever had them? I get these at Walmart. Peanut Patch boiled peanuts. Original, slow, kettle cooked. If you watch my other videos, I've eaten these once in a while. I really like them. Hawaii has the best ones though, so if you ever go to Hawaii, ask for their boiled peanuts. Actually go to Foodland. It's a grocery store there, and ask for their boiled peanuts, or look for them. They are delicious. What are you doing? You want to be in front of the camera? Yeah. Good girl. Ooh, I got a cramp. My foot. That's okay. Got this for $1 at the grocery store Safeway. They were selling out of these for cheap. I should have bought more because it works really good. All right. No. You can't drink that. That's salty. That's not good for dogs. But how about a salty kiss? Mwah. Good girl. Might have a campfire tonight. It'll cool off tonight to the 50s. It gets pretty cold out here in the winter. Last year at this time, it was 27 degrees overnight. We have not had a winter at all. And maybe we'll go for a walk. Huh? What do you think? You think you'd like that? Got to get used to the microphone. I know it gives out better sound. I just got to watch my tone, my sound, my loudness. Want any more water before we go for a W? Huh? Well, I thought I had some smoked oysters for a snack, but I forgot to bring them, I guess. I like smoked oysters, and I like tiny tot sardines. I gotta keep you on a little bit of a short leash. Too many rattlesnakes. In the meantime, what do I need? Gotta get her a backpack. She can carry some water for us. Yeah, we need a backpack. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, I am. The camera. I am not with it right now. I am losing it. Well, can't find it. Of course, okay, guys, I found it. I am all over the place, discombobulated. Haven't been doing this for a while, as you know. Okay. Yeah, we're back. You've probably already seen my spot, but I'm going to give you another shot of it. I believe that's Vulture Peak. I'm in Wickenburg right now. I went to another spot, actually. You know, like I said earlier, I was here last week. I got shut out. So I went to another place yesterday, closer to my home. And every single entrance had a big cement blockade. You couldn't get in. They shut it completely down. And I know why. There's a couple of my other videos that I put out. You can look it up or look at them. I said I will never, ever, ever camp here again. Trashiest place I ever saw. Anyway, I think those are the titles, something like that. And come on, stay away from the bushes. Anyway, every single area was blocked off. You couldn't get in, and that's where I've camped. Usually camp here and there in the winter, because I can't camp anywhere except Williams during the winter. Williams is pretty far though. So, what are you looking at? I went all the way over there. Nothing. I couldn't get in. So I turned around when it would have been about a 3-hour drive to come back here. I thought, nah, forget it. I'll just come home for the night and then come out here and spend some time out here. I got a spot. It is crowded out here. Nowhere at all is there anybody around me though, but it's a pretty clear spot. The spots are really pretty good, far away from each other. lots of privacy. I'm right off one of the dirt roads though, so there are some four-wheelers coming by, 4x. What you smelling? You looking for you haven't pooed yet today. Is that what you're doing? You do that while I talk. Stay away from there. So yeah, I'm talking to you and trying to pay attention to river and make sure there's no snakes on the road. Last week when I was out here, I was driving and I saw, I think, 2 or 3 rattlesnakes right on the road sunning themselves. I guess right now is a good time for some music. You don't have to hear me talk all day. It's really a beautiful area though. Beautiful in its own way. I haven't gone further back there yet. Maybe someday I should check those spots out and see what's over there. All right, let's go back to camp. Daddy can only exercise so much before he gets tired. Yeah, I'm still healing, guys. Doctor said 6 months to a year I'll be completely, hopefully anyway, healed up. And my rib cage all soldered back together, I guess. Grown back together. Can't believe I had quadruple bypass. Good girl, River. I like this little setting back here too. It's nice and private. But I'll be back. Here you go. There you go. Drink some water. Oh. And some water? Look, here. Got some ice in this one. Swore I had smoked oysters. Stay. Stay. I've got sardines. I guess I can have those. Yeah. These aren't tiny tot sardines, where are you guys? These are great value, which are, I believe, Walmart. But anyway, I like sardines, so I'm going to eat these. Kind of big sardines. They're good. I'll tell you what, guys, I missed this so much. 3 or 4 months I haven't been camping because of my heart surgery. Fill you guys in a little bit more. I've been for like the last 2 years maybe, been really feeling no energy at all. And then I get a spurt of energy, then no energy at all. Tired a lot. I thought it was just age. And last year I was supposed to I go to Colorado once a year. I spent some time there, just a little bit, maybe a week, camping, fishing. I had everything packed. Everything was in my truck the night before. I had just a few things to put in there that morning I was leaving, which I did. I put everything in there. I sat down I was tired. I sat down in my recliner and I'm thinking, no way. I've never been this weak, tired, zero energy. I mean, I had a hard time getting out of my chair. My wife comes out of the bedroom. She says, "What's the matter? Aren't you going?" I just said, "I can't. I can't. Something is wrong." I called my doctor. I didn't go. I called my doctor, and right away she said, "Well, I'm going to send you to a cardiologist." I'm like, "Cardiologist?" She made one before, like the year before, a year ago. I never went. I'm stubborn. So anyway, I made the appointment. I did go. Did the testing. And they said one of your arteries is completely blocked. I was like, I didn't know what to think. I don't even think I was thinking. And then they said the other ones are very clogged. Not completely yet, but very clogged, and you're lucky you're lucky you did not have a heart attack yet. So they put me in to do a quadruple heart bypass surgery. That whole time, even for at least a month after when I got home, it's just a fog, man. But I'm healing. I'll tell you what, the pain was the most unbearable pain I've ever gone through after the surgery. But enough of that stuff. I'm here. Thanks to the man upstairs. I'm ready to do some more camping. Hopefully, I'll be going to Colorado this summer. I'll be up to my doctor. Anyway, guys, I'm going to finish up here, and I'll get back with you. Thank you for listening. I've been talking over there. Your guys are over here. Thanks for listening. I appreciate it. I've got a tripod over here, so I was just looking at that because I've been filming on that one. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. No. Stay. Stay. Asparagus. And a nice ribeye I got on sale. This big old ribeye cost me 10 bucks. Regular is 20 bucks. So I got it. I'm going to throw some thyme on it. I love thyme when it's cooked crispy. It's delicious. That's it. That's what I'm going to have. I have a visitor. Check it out. I knew they were real. And they even drink beer and give the shark a sign. We'll see you guys later. What state are you guys from, or what country? Put that in the comments below, and tell me how much a ribeye steak is where you live. Can you see that? Sure hope so. That's a perfectly cooked ribeye, man. And it's delicious. It's getting hotter though, but good steak. Damn. Okay. Okay, that was stupid. Alright. I'm just messing around here. Not doing too well. Hey, you want a piece? Gotta give her some, even though she already ate dinner. Okay. All right, guys. I'm not used to having a microphone. I forgot to put it on, so I sure hope you guys can hear me decently. Damn! I'm just not paying attention today. That was hot. Just came out the fire. You want another piece, girl? Here you go. Get the season off. This is really good. I miss this. 4 months without it. Shins are getting hot. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish this up, and then I will be getting back with you guys. I think I'm going to be starting a forest fire. No, campfire. It's starting to get cool right now. So I'll check you guys out later, okay? Thanks again for coming along. Okay. River has alerted to something. Not sure what. I don't see anything yet. Oh, a cow. I don't know if you can see that. right there. Okay. Okay, River, good job. Good job protecting camp. You did good. I thought it was a coyote there for a second, so I saw it. Hey guys, I'll be back. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're a wild dog today. Wild dog, wild happy dog. Oh. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I came in a little early because the coyotes are out, and one ran right across this little road right here when she was out. So we're inside for the night. Still a little early. I'll probably watch a movie. And here, let me get you on River. Good girl. She's such a good girl. She's a good sport. She doesn't like sleeping in here too much, but she deals with it. Huh. So anyway, thank you guys. I will see you guys in the morning. And if you're still watching, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It should be down in the corner there. And it doesn't cost you anything. It's free. I mean, it'll help my channel too. I need, I'm a small channel, so I need some help. I think that's about it for the night. You guys take care, and thanks again. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Take care now. See you in the morning. Breakfast time. See ya. Well, guys, I don't think I'm going to make breakfast this morning. I think I'll probably just stop off somewhere. What, does that sound good to you? Huh? Stop off somewhere for breakfast? Guys, thank you very much, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please help a small guy out, a small channel out, and hit that subscribe button. It's free. So that said, guys, I will talk to you guys later. We'll see you. All right.